Now, to be clear, several of the capabilities I talked about can be done by a tool like Claude if you've used that before. But for this specific domain, you can see how Clawdbot living inside a messaging app like Telegram has its advantages. For one, in Telegram, using Clawdbot, you can preview videos inline, which makes for a smoother experience if you're working with media. So you can just talk to the AI agent to give it feedback about that video, which at the moment you can't do so seamlessly with Claude Code. And also having it on a messaging app like Telegram means you can bring it with you on mobile much easier. So you can literally edit and automate videos or websites or whatever it is that you're working on while you're out for lunch. So knowing that, in case you are interested to try it out, here's one method that you can use, which is not as risky as installing it on your own computer, not as expensive as needing to buy a Mac Mini, and also not as intimidating versus having to learn about AWS. And near the end, I'll also show some tips on how you can make it more secure so that you are more confident while trying out this new tool. And when you set up Clawdbot, basically there's only one prerequisite that you need, and that is for you to decide whether you want to install it on your own computer or another computer. And a good sort of mental model that you can think about is, if you were hiring an employee or a new agent, is it good practice for you to give them access to your own computer? For most cases, probably not, right? Especially with an AI tool like Clawdbot that can change your files, that is highly inadvisable, especially if you're not as technical.